Ladies and gentlemen, Donald Trump court case takes a major twist. Let's get right to the very first article. Business Insider, very reputable, very legit. Testimony in Donald Trump's New York fraud trial concludes with bitterness and nostalgia. See you next year is exactly what the judge told both the prosecutor and the defendant, that being Trump. He actually told both sides as the testimony concluded in the Trump civil fraud trial. Closing briefs are due at noon on January 5th, with summations set for January 11th. Basically, midway towards next year, January 11th to 15th, the trial ended on a bitter but nostalgic note, with angry questioning followed by handshakes. Obviously, more than 10 weeks of testimony have reached an end with no conclusion, and the judge basically said, we're going to, take a little break due to the holidays. We're going to take the rest of December and maybe even the first 2 weeks of January. ABC News, judge puts hold on Trump's federal election interference case while appeal process plays out. Again, as you can see right here, Donald Trump seems to be happy because after attempt after attempt that the Democrats are trying to actually make, Trump a felon. Why? Because felons cannot run for president of the United States, and they're trying to, derail him and make it literally illegal, federally illegal for a felon to run for presidency. But Donald Trump actually was able to secure a small W and a little win, because even for now, in the next 2 to 4 weeks, Donald Trump basically got, granted some kind of, a small subpoena, a small W, a small little loophole that for the next 2 to 4 weeks, he is still in limbo. He has not been found guilty. Let's zoom in. As you can see right here, the judge who oversees former President Donald Trump's federal electoral interference case in Washington has stated that the proceedings in this case, while the actual, appearance and the whole process is playing out, Trump's lawyer had requested that, because a special counsel Jack Smith's team opposed all counts and said, quote, "This is a big win for President Trump, our rule of law." Trump's spokesperson basically said, this is good because they're not able to just say, you're guilty, and they have to spend more time, more weeks looking into it. And for the next 2 to 4 weeks, again, he's still able to run for president. Guys, this is obvious that the left, right, the hard left is basically trying to do whatever they can, any kind of manipulation tactics to force Trump out of actually being able to legally run for president. Because again, if they're actually successful and they are able to, label him a felon, felons cannot own guns, felons cannot run for president. That has obviously been the plan of the left for a very, very long time. And again, this is just a small win, a small W for Donald Trump. Again, comment below, what do you think about these horrible criminal schemes and this, these allegations? They're literally going after a former president. Once you're president for a lifetime. Comment below. As you can see right here, Trump in August pleaded not guilty to every single count, and he actually said the former president, that being Donald Trump, has denied all wrongdoings and claimed innocence, and he denounced all the charges as a persecution of a political opponent. Obviously, the Democrats, right, the new, President Biden right now currently in office, they go back and forth, Democrat, Republican. It is literally, basically copy paste, copying communism, going after and persecuting your political opponents and trying to make them legally not be able to run, even though Trump has the most votes and, it's actually leading by 20% in every single polls. This is just absolutely ludicrous. He's obviously going to win the next presidential election in 2024, and the Democrats are trying to stop him. Ladies and gentlemen, comment below. Let your voices be heard. If you weren't aware, my name is Average Tuber. I post new videos every single day, and I'm giving away $100. All you have to do is you have to hit that like. You have to be subscribed. Leave a comment, any comment. Then when this video hits 100 likes, I'll give away $100 to one person in the comments. But again, you must be subscribed. You have to hit that like button. My goal is to educate, entertain, and inform. I hate censorship. Thank you guys so much. If you're new here, welcome aboard. Thank you so much if you're still watching. With that being said, guys, that's pretty much it for today. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.